Hello everyone, I am Devneet and I welcome you all to yet another interesting use case of Automate with Dave Power Automate series. So this is going to be the very first video of the Power Automate demo series. So if you want to stay updated with the upcoming future content, then please do subscribe to my channel and yes, do press the like button if you enjoy this video. So, while coming to the basic summary of our process today, let me take you to the usual routine. So, first we will be going through the walkthrough of the entire process, and then, yes, we will be seeing the bot in action. So coming to the process, if you see the very first step is like we have a user, let's say, so what the user will do, like they can be someone from the HR team. So they will be uploading some contact details. So they can be the contacts of some clients, of maybe some partners there that are related to our project. So the HR will be having all those details with her or with him, like we can say the salutation, the first name, the last name, the address, the contact, the gender, and many more things. So what the user will do is like they will have an Excel file and they will upload that Excel file to the Microsoft SharePoint folder. So we will have a designated folder for our process, which will be Bitrix contact creation process that I'll be showing you going forward. So once the user uploads a fresh document like a fresh Excel spreadsheet onto the SharePoint folder, the Power Automate cloud will instantly trigger a bot. So now this bot, the very first thing it will do is it will be to send out like a message over Microsoft Teams. So we will have a dedicated channel for our process where all the messages which will be related to the starting of the process and the completion of the process will be recorded. So once that message has been sent, the very next step would be to download that file onto the machine on which we are running this bot. So for our demo, we have only one machine which is acting both as the machine which is uploading the document and as well as the machine where the Power Automate bot will run. So this can be extended, as you know, like if the bot is running on multiple machines, so they can download the folder onto their machines. So now what the bot will do is once it has downloaded, let's say your contact details spreadsheet onto the local machine, so it will also have a project folder where it will be creating that file. Then the bot will simply read that file and it will store it in a variable. Then the bot will launch the Bitrix CRM application. So in the Bitrix CRM application, we have a contact section where the bot will be creating different contact entries as per the records which are present in our input spreadsheet file. So once all the contacts have been created, then the bot will safely log off from the from the CRM application, and then the bot will send a process completion message. Once it sends a process completion message, at the same time, the bot will also delete the downloaded file so that for the next run, it will have, let's say, an empty folder where can again download a fresh set of file whenever we upload it. So now let me show you how this entire process has been designed. So let me first take you to this on-premise gateway. So we have this on-premise gateway that is a very necessary component of our process. So what it does is we have a Power Automate cloud and we have a Power Automate desktop. So this will act as a bridge to connect both the Power Automate cloud and the desktop element. Now coming to the next part, I will be showing you this is how our Power Automate flow looks like. So if you see in our Power Automate flow, we first have the MS SharePoint action. So in this action, it is like a trigger action. So we are saying it like it will be triggered whenever a file has been modified. And if you see the site address and we have a folder ID. So this is my SharePoint how it looks like. So this is the configured folder. So if any type point of time I let's say upload a file or if I make any changes to the existing file, this bot will be triggered. So in our demo, you will be seeing how there was an empty folder and how we upload a file to trigger the bot. Once the bot has been triggered, it will initialize some variables such as the process name and start timestamp. These will be required for sending out a message over Microsoft Teams. So there's an action for MS Teams. So here we have a specific team name and a channel name. So In this particular format, the bot will be sending out a particular message over MS Teams. So if I show you my MS Teams to give you a look, so this is how my MS Teams looks like. So here I already ran the bot once, so you can see this is how the process start process message looks like, and this is how the process execution message looks like. Okay, so we have a particular format in which we have set it. Next, going forward, the bot will then simply download the file from the SharePoint location. So to download this file, the bot needs to connect to our local machine. So for this reason, we will be requiring that gateway that I showed you quite few moments ago. Then it will again set some more variables such as username, password, URL, Excel file path. And once all of them have been initialized, it will then call a particular flow that we have developed in Power Automate Desktop. So in our Power Automate Desktop, we have all the flow related to interact with the particular interface of the Bitrix application. So let me show you my Power Automate Desktop. So this is how my Power Automate Desktop looks like. So here I have like a label. So here I have like multiple subflows. So this is a main subflow which will be calling everything. So first we are killing the sessions of Microsoft Edge that we are using as our browser. Then we are logging into the Bitrix application with the given URL, username, and the password. So once we have logged in successfully to Bitrix application, then we read the contact data or the contact details that are stored in my Excel file path. So once it has read all the data from the downloaded Excel file, then it will simply iterate over each Excel record, I can say, and then it will try to first navigate to the contacts page for each of the entry. And once it navigates to the add contact page, then it will start filling up all the contact details that are the different fields of my Excel file. So let me show you how my Excel file looks like to give you an idea. So this is like a original extract. So for our demo, we'll be only having 5 records. Here there are like 10 or 20 records. So let me show you how the file looks like. So this is how my Excel file looks like. It has all these columns. So in the Bitrix application in the demo, you'll be seeing how all of these details will be filled up one by one. So let me also show you how the Bitrix application looks like to give you an idea. So this is the Bitrix CRM application. So here I ran the bot once for the demo that you'll be seeing. So the bot has added all these contacts, and in the video also you'll be seeing how the bot is adding all the contacts one by one. So here, whenever the bot will click on add contact page, so it has to navigate to this particular page. And here there are all these fields that we saw in the Excel file. So the bot will simply go ahead and capture all of these fields, and then it will simply fill up the data one by one. So once all of this thing has happened, completed, then the bot will simply check if there's a variable called as star status that I'm passing like as an output from the Power Automate Desktop flow. So it will check if it is true or false. So if it is true, then the bot will understand that okay, this is a particular process which has completed successfully, and it will then go to the yes block, and then it will send out the process completion message as I showed you in my Microsoft Teams. So well, so this was how my overall bot architecture looks like. So without any further ado, let's jump into the actual demo, shall we?